Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
For today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieve an organic balloon arch. So my inspiration that I have is this picture here. It has like eucalyptus, white, like a sand color, and then some gold. This is the inspiration, but it's not going to be a garland. It's going to be an actual arch. So these are the colors I have. This is the brand. I got some 12-inch retro eucalyptus. I also have some 18-inch here, some retro sand white, and then some mirror white gold as well. 12-inch, 18-inch. Push on yourself to help create that round shape. To 12-inch. Then we're gonna do 4 12-inch. Join the 2 quads together. So here I have 1 quad, here I have the other quad. We're just going to put them together and twist this quad into this one. Literally just making sure you're grabbing from the 2 separate bunches and intertwining them into each other to create a big one. And so as I build the arch, I'm going to be putting 2 stacks on top of each other to create the color block, alternating from eucalyptus to sand to white, and then we're going to add the golds sporadically in between. For the white sand, I only have 12-inch balloons, so I'm going to make sure that I fill some of these to maximum capacity. Kind of give it the look like it's an 18-inch balloon when really it's just 12. So now I'm going to be making 5-inch clusters. Here's a little hack. If they don't have the color that you want in 5-inch balloons, just make your own. So they're not perfectly round, but they'll do. First you want to blow your balloon all the way up and then let it deflate. About there, maybe like the size of your hand. You're gonna push in. So here's the the neck. Push it in. Grab it. Okay, so now I have it gripped on each side. You can push against the each balloon side of the balloon to make one side bigger, one side smaller, kind of thing. Okay, so we got a good grip. And you're just gonna twist the neck of the balloon around and around. Make sure it's tight so that the air doesn't slip out. So I twisted it around a bunch of times, and then I'm just gonna tie it. So what I did is I stuck my finger here. I'm gonna go around, and then I'm gonna put it through the little space that I have. Yeah, it's a little more challenging, but you do what you gotta do, and then you can combine the two if you want to make it quads, small quads. Now how I connect my 5 inches to the arch, we're gonna get 260s. Now the way I save money, if you will, I'm gonna cut my 260 in half. Okay, so I have my cut 260. Just gonna tie it in a knot. The only trouble about when you cut your 260s is you have less to work with when you're trying to tie it off. Strap it down. So I'm not gonna have a lot of give when it's time to put it onto the arch. Still looks good. It's pretty legit. I'm also going to add more accent gold, so I have 12 inches, and I'm going to mix them with some of the 5 inches to make bigger clusters to add throughout the arch as accent clusters, and then I'm going to add them to a 260. And we'll be back tomorrow for setup day. Good morning. So today is install day, and I'm just getting the van all loaded up. I got my bases, ladder, extra balloons. Oh, 15 passenger van. Just got 2 of the seats. We just took 2 of the seats out. Okay. I'm gonna get my pole. 20-foot PVC pipe loaded up. It's actually going to stick out of the passenger side window. I can bend it. I can get it to bend like this, but I just don't feel like it. I'm just going to stick it out the window for today. they fit. I am sweating, but we're all loaded up. Balloons are filled to capacity. Got my pole sticking out the front. It'll be all good. See you at setup. So I'm going to show you how I attach the balloons to the pipe. So you're just going to spread it out, put the pipe in between the balloon, and you're just going to take the two balloons and wrap it around, and that'll lock it on. You can still kind of move it. And we're just going to continue that. Twist it around. And the first bunch, you want to push it down. To the first. Second bunch to the first bunch. Alternating your colors. Pushing down. So we have 5 inches.